I'm Sanjeev. I came to Australia in 2007. I work as an IT engineer. I was the first batch of your education, and then straight away I started applying the high-risk strategies in my investment portfolios. So this was our original PPR, which we bought in 2014. We moved. It was our PPR, our dream house, where me and my wife bought this house, and then our daughter was born here. After joining Hi-Res, when I started the boot camp, I had the goal of replacing my income in next 4 years actually, and I was looking ways how to do that. And then after hearing in boot camp about what you can do, I was thinking, even though this is a 4-bedroom house with 2.5 bathroom, actually I can convert into a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and still big living area and kitchen. After converting this house, if I have to rent this normal house as it is, I would be expecting around $620 to $630 per week. But now it's all done. It's like running from last 1.5 months, we're getting $1,200 per week. I bought a property last year in 2017 in a regional town for $300,000 because that's what I could have afforded that time. Bought this ugly house, invested $50,000 in renovation, another $10,000 on high-rise safety features, and we rented all the rooms. So all those 4 rooms are getting rented out for $200 per week, which is like we're getting $800. If I have to rent that renovated house to a normal family, I would be looking around $390 to $400. I'm looking around, like on this property we are around minimum $25,000 cash flow after all the expenses, paying the agent and electricity, gas, whatever, and other property we are looking minimum $10,000, so like 35 to 40 we are looking, I think. That was my initially goal, that by 2018 I should be able to get 40,000, but I was in my initial plan it was like maybe 5 or 6 properties, which I could have never bought it. So with the next one, the house with granny, which I'm getting handover in next month, and then if I can build on the back, which I think my drawings are already done, I think we are going to council. So by mid of next year, I think I'm already looking at 70,000 cash flow with this. So before Hi-Res came, I was already learning from Ian about other strategies. So I always look like, but I'll buy one property and I'll apply multiple strategies. Investment is a game where you are looking for a return, right? And if you're investing, just look where you can do a Hi-Res, because you will be looking at like 5%, 6%, if you're lucky 7% return. And same property, if you can get 12, 15, if you can get always a better return, why you will not apply that? Do a small, I think that's what Ian always says, right? Like do a small, learn, and then implement bigger and go bigger, right? I think through Hi-Res we are already helping the community, I think, in a much better way. So, but we'll be doing more of these things.